It's time to try the new Starbucks item.
Summer of '02 in Japan.
They've released the raspberry poppin' boba.
That's not
pineapple
correct. No,
refresher.
it's the pineapple refresher. What's the taste sensation?
This is amazing. I love Starbucks. The new menu item does not disappoint. Get out there, try it immediately. It's so good, dude. It's amazing.
Pull it up for the camera, sir. Let's get the thumbnail. There we go. There goes
Easy. Oh.
That's it.
Let's go. Hi, guys. Hey, come on, man.
Come on.
Wow, look at that big boy in the middle of the road right now. Big boy. Big boy.
Here's my phone.
Feed him, feed him. Come here, Chica. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Good, Chica. He's so cute. For the elder. Wow.
Wow, what a bow.
That's respect.
That's respect.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.